Good morning, here René from the Netherlands. I will show you a quick way to make a blank registration without turning off your instrument as described in the manual. As you can see, I've loaded the song "Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word" with 8 different slots. I select the song, the registration, I go to Menu and choose Registration Bank Edit. Here I select all the different entries and press delete. Confirm and then save. I made one folder with some basic stuff, save here, and I give it a name. Empty bank and press OK, close. Here you can see it's now empty bank and all the 10 slots are empty. So I can start making a new registration and save it. For example, I press one of the OTS buttons, press memory, the first button, and then file, save. Save here because I will delete it afterwards. 999, new song. Press OK. Your new song is saved. And if I want to start over again, I press empty bank and you can see it's empty again. Hope you like this short video. Subscribe to the channel. I will make lots of short videos to explain basic things on the Genos, but also advanced registration settings. Bye.